This is how you make chicken fried rice. Hey there, what's up everyone? Welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you a very simple but delicious chicken fried rice. This dish is very easy to make with just a few simple ingredients. I'll teach you step by step how to prep the chicken, prep the veg, and make the best chicken fried rice that you'll ever have. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's get started. Chicken breast, slice off the side, and we're going to slice it into thin pieces. And for the big piece, do the same. The chicken's nice and thin. Into the bowl, we're going to quickly marinate this chicken. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of MSG, half a teaspoon of sugar, some white pepper, sesame oil, some soy sauce, some Shaoxing cooking wine, half a tablespoon of potato starch flour, and some water. Give it a mix. When you're mixing it, the chicken's going to start absorbing the water and it's going to start thickening. We need to let this marinate for some time. Okay, alright, we're just going to let this chicken marinate. And now we're going to prep some vegetables. So for this dish, the only vegetables you're going to need is some spring onions. Half the spring onions, slice it finely. Spring onions, garlic, 2 cloves, mince very roughly. And also 1 egg. So the chicken's been marinating for a bit of time. I'm going to thicken it a little bit more. So add another small half a tablespoon of potato starch flour and mix it in. Now your chicken's nice and velveted. As you can see, it's thickened up a little bit more and make it nice and soft for frying. Add a bit of oil to finish. This will really lock in all the flavors and that's finished. I have some rice here that I made earlier on. It's cooled down a bit, so it'll be great for fried rice. Alright guys, so now we have our ingredients. We're ready to start cooking. Wok on. Heat up your wok, oil. Heat up your oil. We're gonna fry the chicken. Now the wok is nice and smoky hot. Chicken into the wok. Medium heat, push. You need to make sure that every piece is cooked. Fry it for about 1 minute. You can see, chicken's nice and cooked now. Strain it out, quick wash. Heat up your wok again. This time the wok needs to be really hot. Oil. Garlic, egg, bit more oil, rice, fry, high heat, break the rice apart. You want to heat up the rice. Bit of water. Now that the rice is hot, we're going to season. Sprinkle some salt, MSG, bit of sugar, bit of chicken powder if you like, some white pepper, sesame oil, and a secret ingredient, some oyster sauce. This will really enhance the flavor of your chicken fried rice. Mix it all together and fry. A bit of dark soy for color. Now it's nice and golden brown. Spring onions in and chicken back in. Fry. Finish off with some soy sauce. And now we serve. Oh, it's so good. It's so simple, but it's so delicious. It's such an easy dish to make. The flavors work so well together. The white pepper, the chicken powder, the oyster sauce, the sugar, the soy sauce. So make sure you gather these ingredients and give it a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you next time. Bye!